In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a spam in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click to open the specific email you want to report as spam. At the top toolbar above the message, click the report spam icon, which looks like a exclamation mark inside a stop sign. A pop-up window may appear asking for confirmation. Click report spam to move the email to your spam folder. Alternatively, you can click the three vertical dots icon on the far right side of the email message header. From the drop-down menu, select report spam. If the message is part of a mailing list and you want to stop receiving emails from that sender, click report spam and unsubscribe. Gmail will move the email to spam and attempt to remove you from the sender's mailing list. To report multiple emails at once, return to your inbox and check the boxes next to all the unwanted messages. After selecting them, click the report spam icon in the main toolbar at the top of the list. The selected emails will immediately be moved to your spam folder, and Gmail will use this action to improve its spam filtering in the future. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.